Hello there! Today we'll be creating this watercolour painting of some beautiful koi. Although this painting looks quite complicated, it's actually really simple. And if you haven't tried watercolours before, then this would be the perfect introduction lesson for you to try them. For paper, we'll be using a 300 GSM watercolour pad. These steps to draw the koi and this suggested layout are in the PDF that you can find through the link above. I turn the pad over as paper is smoother on the back side. To draw a koi, first a single gesture line must be laid in. This will establish the koi's flowing underlying form. We then draw in a large circle at the front, followed by a smaller one at the base of the fish. We then draw in the head shape and the body. Add the pectoral fins, lay in the flowing tail, and then the dorsal fins that lay up to the tail. Once the main elements are drawn in, we can add the details. Remember to draw the eye in an elliptical shape to suggest the correct angle of the koi's head. Lay in the structures from the mouth. These are called the barbels, and they're actually taste buds. Gently clean up the drawing with an eraser. The one used here is an electric eraser, and they remove graphite very efficiently and do not damage the surface of the paper. Now our fish are drawn up, we can start painting. For this project, we're using the Montmartre 12-piece watercolour set. These are professional series paints and are rich in pigment and vibrant. We're also using the airtight watercolour palette. This palette is fantastic as it has a silicone rubber gasket that creates an airtight seal when the palette is clamped shut. For the background, I squeeze out a touch of Prussian blue. I add water from a hake brush and roughly lay it onto the background around the koi.